What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Tay Trades, man, and I'm coming with a quick update, man, on the charts, man. I got to bring the charts to y'all, man, and so that's what we gonna do. Just like I said, it's gonna be a quick update, man. Quick update. Markets are open, and man, we've got some movement. We have gotten some movement. So as I mentioned in my last video, I wanted to see AC take this buy side liquidity and then possibly even fill up this gap right here before looking for any type of sales or continuational moves. And so it looks like we've gotten that here. Prices pushed up, gave us a little fair value gap. I wouldn't trust it. Um, Unless price does want to move higher, then that probably will be a nice buy setup, but we'll see. This is why I like to wait till Tuesday. When you wait till like Tuesday, you kind of get to see what the market is trying to do. You got to let the market show you some things first before you just jump right in. You know what I'm saying? But AC took out this 1 hour liquidity right here, or 15-minute liquidities OIs here. And already, as you can see, it looks like it is about to reverse. Nice high, low, got this fair value gap, and it looks like it's about to invalidate that. Kind of got like a 15-minute tweezer top. That's an old candlestick pattern, and we might be getting ready to have a nice sell-off, man. If you look at the 1 hour, nice rejection off this 1 hour, like an inverted hammer type of candlestick, and then we got another 1 hour close in about 7 minutes of another nice rejection to end that 4 hour off with a nice, like I said, inverted hammer. So this looks very interesting. And tomorrow is Monday. Yeah, tomorrow is Monday. So I mean, man, we might be getting a move now. We just might be getting a move now. I think this thing's gonna get ready to sell off pretty nicely. Um, and I might not catch anything. I might not catch anything, but yeah, man, AC looking like it's playing the part, man. So we're gonna see what's up. EA, same thing. What did I tell you guys? I want to see that sell side get taken first, man. What did it do? Took the sell side. In this case, it took the sell side, took out these lows. Now it's kind of doing like AC. And fun fact, one thing I like about EA and AC, Aussie CAD, and EA, Euro Aussie, is they have like a negative correlation. So if Euro Aussie is going up, more than likely Aussie CAD is going down. And to me, that's kind of like a plus because if I'm looking for buys on EA, then it's a no-brainer to look for sales on AC. So quick pro tip is it's kind of easier if you have pairs that are negatively correlated, right? You don't need a bunch of pairs anyways, but if you got some pairs that have negatively correlated, that's like a pro tip, bro. Because if you're looking for buys on the other one, they got a negative correlation. You can go ahead and sell the other asset, right? Because that's kind of what I do. I look for sales on Aussie CAD and I look for buys on EA and vice versa. So yeah, man. So EA did the same thing, right? Taking that sell side liquidity, and then we're gonna see how price starts to react. If we start to getting that price action move to the higher, moving to the upside, and giving us some market structural shifts and fair value gaps, then we can possibly try to see if we can get a move and swing to the upside. It says the first week of the month, and I think NFP Friday is this Friday, so that's gonna be. I don't really trade the news like that, but that just popped up in my mind at this instant. But yeah, man. So, because usually sometimes, well, I won't say usually, but sometimes I'm kind of like iffy about trading the first week of the month because we got high major news like NFP that come out on Fridays and whatnot. So uh, yeah, man, but excited to see what's going on with EA. So we did get that sell side liquidity ran. We did get the buy side liquidity ran on Aussie CAD. So we're looking to see if we're gonna get some type of rejections. Is it gonna respect this fair value gap here or not? I don't think so. I think we're gonna try and move lower, or whatnot. Big strong rejections on 4 hour. I love that 4 hour. If we can close like that, that would be lovely. Um, and then so the same thing, kind of like with Ozzy Cat, that would kind of be lovely to see that hammer getting and pushes up a bit. But who knows what might happen? Maybe price wants to move lower, deeper, and take out these lows, right? So that's why it's kind of like I'm not gonna get too hyped just yet, right? That's why I like waiting until Tuesday. Even though price action is kind of giving me what I wanted to see right now, I like to just be patient. I don't want to take nothing right now. And if we just miss something, we just miss something. So, yeah, man. Just a quick update. Let's go to UJ. I mean EJ. My bad. And it looks like EJ is like, bro, forget what you talking about. We selling off, dog. We want to move lower, dog. I don't know what you thought was going on, but look, man, look at it. Boom. This is why we don't take buy setups right here, bro. This is why we don't take buy setups right here, bro. Why buy right here and then just get wiped out? That's why I don't take buy setups, bro. I don't take quick buy setups right off of a move and it pulls back and you think it's time to buy. No, you will get swept. You feel me? Swept right under the rug. So, but yeah, EJ looks like it wants to sell, man. I might have to switch my bias. Maybe EJ is on the roll to. I'm not even gonna say that, but it looks like EJ wants to move lower. We may be bearish, bro. What's going on? I might have to read the news or something, man. I might have to read the news or something. But yeah, man. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait to see what it's looking like Tuesday. We just might get a deeper move. Who knows? Maybe we're coming to take this low. Uh, if we come and take this low and then give us a big rejection, if we come take this low and give us a big rejection and it starts moving upwards, cool. Say less. This is a higher time frame target. But I mean, we just gotta wait and see. Maybe price wants to run this low. Maybe it fails to run a low, push up a little bit. We'll just see, man. Market's gotta show me more. But I'm liking what I'm seeing, to be honest, man. I'm liking what I'm seeing. And like I said, today is just Sunday. So Sunday, we've already pushed up, filled the gap. Look like we starting to move lower. Sunday, what it Aussie CAD do, pushed up, ran buy side liquidity. EA Sunday ran sell side liquidity, move lower, move deeper into into bullish territory. So um yeah, man, just a quick update. I wanted to do a quick update. I mean, I guess we can look at BTC. It did have its nice little pullback after we had this nice sell off. And it looks like BTC might be on the road to push back lower, man. Might get a nice setup on BTC this week as well. So we shall see, man. We shall see. So that's the quick update. That's the quick update for y'all. Uh, yeah, man. Hopefully, if you like the video, you already know what to do. Hope you like the content. Like I said, I was looking at the charts and I'm like, bro, we dropping another video. Like I said, I want to be consistent, man. I want to keep keep making videos. We're gonna be doing this on a weekly basis. Me posting my trades, me just making videos, showing the market, talking about the markets, just posting some content, man. Staying consistent. So plenty more videos. I hope y'all excited to watch these videos, and hopefully I can continue to give y'all some game, give y'all some value, and hopefully y'all like what y'all watching, man. So yes, sir, man. This your boy Take Trades, and I'm out. What up? What up? What up? What up? I'm adding to the video real quick. I feel like I didn't explain why I'm bearish on Bitcoin, and I want to add to why I'm looking to see Bitcoin fall further. Right. So, um, if you look at the monthly, right, we had this fair value gap. We sold to this fair value gap, filled the weekly deep weekly gaps, and then we had this nice run. If I clear my charts real quick, uh, boom, remove 15. Now that we've had the monthly close here, we rejected the highs. This monthly candlestick has to make a monthly low before making a high. I mean, it doesn't have to happen like that, but I'm expecting it to make a monthly low and a monthly high, and I'm excited to see how it closes. So in the meantime, in between time, we have a fair value gap. So I'm anticipating to see um where can we make the monthly low, right? Now, if you look at the 15-minute time frame, like I said, we did fail to close above these highs, and we did run these highs. Where can price move to after running highs, right? Well, we know one thing: price either runs liquidity or fills in inefficiencies. That's like the objective of price, man. Like we're gonna run old highs and lows, and we're gonna search for market inefficiencies, aka fair value gaps. So on a weekly time frame, we have a fair value gap right here. We got us a nice small fair value gap right here. And so this is why I said, I think in the other video, that I see Bitcoin selling to like 100 grand, right? To fill in this fair value gap. Possibly we can fill in this fair value gap, make the monthly low around here, and then start to push off and move back higher. And then possibly even crash more after making that low, making the monthly fair value gap, but closing and starting consolidating or whatnot between here. And then maybe something happens where we run the low, move lower, and tap into that fair value gap. And possibly even, depending on maybe some major news would have to happen. But if Bitcoin wants to have a deeper pullback, something happens where we have this deeper pullback, which wouldn't be crazy, right? From the highs to drop here would be a 17% drop. You know, Bitcoin can give you that. Right. Last time we had a 30% drop, which was a beautiful buy opportunity. Yeah, Bitcoin dropped 32% after making new highs and then pulling back, kind of tapping this gap just a little bit, running a high and then crashing, so to say, giving you a nice 32% pullback for all of those who like to buy Bitcoin and talking about ownership. All right, you got to buy some Bitcoin at a cheaper price, got to stack some sats at a cheaper price. Or if you was looking to trade Bitcoin and you know, one of those top tier traders, you was able to swing it and, you know, take the buy setup and hold a nice swing trade to those highs and collect those gains, right? So, but just to get back on point, man, like this is like why I see Bitcoin falling some more, even to like 100 grand, because we got this weekly fair value gap the price could possibly come and fill. You know what I'm saying? And so it wouldn't be bad. And then think about this right here. We got all these old lows here. This is like liquidity right here, right? So, I mean, we got this nice pull down, pushed up a little bit. Then we can start moving lower, taking out these lows for all the buyers. Maybe run some liquidity here, run these old lows, tap into the fair value gap, and then start moving higher. Like I said, that's a 17% move. And then from there, once we move the gap, that's an 11% move right there. And then we can possibly even move higher. So that's why I'm kind of like still bearish on Bitcoin. I just wanted to add that. That's my reason why. Right, I can see Bitcoin getting to that 100K range, and it's very doable. So um, yeah, man, I just wanted to justify, or not necessarily justify, but explain my analysis for why I think Bitcoin could move lower. And it's just because of that higher time frame analysis, man. We got that higher time frame fair value gap after running those highs, filling the close above, etc. So, yeah, man, just wanted to add that part. I'm gonna add it to the video, and that'll be a nice little 15, 16 minute video. So, yeah, man, once again, it's your boy Tay Trades, man. Y'all stay safe, man. Peace and love, and I'm out.